What if I told you that some of the most viral creators on Instagram and TikTok right now aren't even real human beings? They're consistent, hyper-realistic AI models, and they're generating thousands of dollars a month on complete autopilot. Check out this video alone got $567. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your own photorealistic AI character from scratch. Lock in their features so they look identical in every single picture, and animate them into smooth, realistic viral reels. No expensive gear, no coding, and zero experience required. Stick around to the end, because I'm also revealing a secret workflow trick to bypass the heavy render queues and pump out video content 10 times faster. Let's dive in! Head over to Google Flow and set up a free account. Click on New Project and select the character option. Now, you will see a bunch of default presets here, but we are not using those. To build a truly unique model, we need custom master prompts. I have dropped 2 master prompts in the description down below for you to grab. Copy master prompt 1 and drop it into the prompt box. Make sure you select Nanobanana 2 as your generation model. This is crucial for getting that realistic skin texture and lighting potential. If you have a specific vibe or facial feature set in mind, upload a reference image right here to guide the AI. Now hit generate. And finally, the generation is done. If you love the first output, awesome. If not, just click reroll until you hit a face you're happy with. Now that we have our face, we need to generate a full 360-degree reference sheet so the AI never forgets what our character looks like. Click on Create Body. Now go back to the master prompt, copy master prompt 2, and paste it right here. Double check that your model is still added in prompt, choose Create Body and the model set to Nanobanana 2, then hit Generate. Look at that. In just a few seconds, you got a full turnaround character sheet with a front view, side view, 3/4 view, and back view. If you want your AI model should have a selected voice. From here, you can preview AI voice presets if you plan on making talking head videos. If you're just doing silent static reels with trending audio, skip the voice and click Done. Now comes the fun part, giving your character lifestyle photos for social media. Open up Instagram or Pinterest and find a photo with a pose, lighting setup, or outfit that fits your niche. All you need to scroll and find a perfect one that really goes viral. For me, I got this one. This looks really good to go viral. Right-click and copy the link of this post. Now open this site and paste the link. Scroll down and you can see here all the images are downloadable, but we don't need to download the images. Just right-click and copy the image. Jump back into your project, paste the reference image into the prompt box. When it uploaded into the project, just drag it straight into the prompt box. Click the plus icon, go to Characters, select your saved model, and add her to the prompt. Now, give the AI a simple direction, like replace this girl with my character in a red dress. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical reels, make sure Nanobanana 2 is selected, and click Generate. So it's generating our image, and now check these out. They look crazy realistic. Even though these images look incredible, social media algorithms, AI checker, and sharp viewers can sometimes spot that smooth AI glaze. Here's how we fix that so it looks like it was shot on a real iPhone. Your image in high resolution. Open it up in Photoshop, or if you're on mobile, you can use PixArt or Lightroom Mobile. Now follow me. Lastly, if you want to make the image enhanced, bump your resolution settings up to 200 or 300 dpi. This keeps the details razor sharp even when platforms compress your upload. Photos are great, but short-form video reels are what drive real viral growth. Here's how we convert video's motion into AI image too. Find a trending dance or lifestyle video you can scroll into Instagram or Pinterest. For me, I use Pinterest for the videos, and this video looks so good for me. Now to download it, copy the link, then open a new tab. Now search for Pinterest Video Downloader. Choose this first website and paste the link here. Now scroll down and download your video. Again, the same process for the C-count video. After that, we need the first frame of those both video. For that, open the video in VLC Media Player, scrub to the very first frame, and take a quick snapshot from the video section. Do the same step for both video. Now open the Google Flow again. Bring that snapshot frames back into your project. Drag it straight into the prompt box. Click the plus icon, go to characters, select your saved model, and add her to the prompt. Now give the AI a simple direction like Othfer, replace this girl with me in purple dress. And for the C-count image, I will do like, replace this girl with me different dress. Now it has been generated are both images, and look at the quality is really great and it's did actually what I want. Then download the images in 2K quality. Now we animate it. I will show you two free game changer model. First one is Wan Eye. Navigate to avatar, make sure here the character swap is chosen in this dropdown. Upload your base video, upload your new character image, and hit generate. That's really fully free while you don't need any credits. But I have a trick I said you before in my another video for complete 200, like to get that trick, but you didn't make it done. But the trick was about how to generate video in Wan AI in 1 minute. As here, one video took 1 hour, so if you need the tricks I am giving you again a chance complete 100 likes in this video. Now, if you want maximum smoothness, the second tool is for you. You can get the link simply in the description. This is called Running Hub. But if you look at my profile, you can see here, I have 46,056 credits. For generating any motion control video from this tool, you need this workflow prompt. So simply copy this link from the description. And another thing, you can use this in your Android too. For this, simply click in the 3 dot of your Android and then choose the desktop mode. Then the rest of the process are same. So here it is loading. If it make any problem, simply click and refresh and it will be fixed. Now, this website is fully loaded and here you can see the video that we used in our last video, and here is our model. Then if I just go here, you can see full the backend is here of this website. You don't need to touch them or your video will get some errors. All we need to work at here, so simply zoom in, then upload your video and image here. Now you can see here both of our video and images are uploaded. The interesting part of this web is from here you can change the FPS up to 120 FPS, but for me 30 FPS is good. So I will keep as it is now. To generate the video from here, you need to click in this run. There is also another run for the premium users, but as we have generating in free, so we need this option. Simply click here, and in a few seconds you can see here that our video is started generating, and it needs around 10 minutes, sometimes 2 to 5 minutes based on your internet speed. And this AI tool cost just 50 to 200 credits for one video. And to get here more credits, simply click go back to the main website and click in this gift icon. Now you have this invitation link. Simply copy this link and you can paste it into any Facebook groups, like open this link and get free reward. So people will open this link and in this you will get 500 more credits. And as you can see here, I have 46,000 credits already. And if you want to join in my team to use those credits, all you need to subscribe and comment your name. Also make sure to join our Telegram. I will choose 20 people from you to add in my team. Now our video is done and let me show you the result. And just like that, you've got a fully customized photorealistic AI creator ready to post content and scale your social media presence. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.